Hello everyone. Once again, I am here. Now today I will teach you that how you will create your YouTube short really very easily only in 1 minute. For this, what you have to do, you have to open the CapCut once again, my favorite video editor, which will give you a lot of options in order to enhance your video, create your video, and not only the video but the images as well. So I will go to the same option in which let's suppose that I will create the free AI video maker. Then this new page will be opened, and now I will click instant AI video. Now here, generate script. So I will ask him that what if friction vanish. Now, what we have to do if we want to create the YouTube shorts, what we will do? Here it is written aspect ratio. So we will not select 16.9, we will select 9 ratio 16, 9 ratio 16. So when you will upload your video after creating this, YouTube will automatically consider it as a YouTube short. So it is really very easy. So I will go here, I will select 9 ratio 16, and now I will create, and then now my video is in the process, and after that my video will be saved, and when I will upload this video in the YouTube, and then YouTube will save as a YouTube short. So YouTube short is really very easy to make, so you do not need to do any hard work for creating the YouTube short. But what you have to do, you have to install the CapCut. After that, when you will write down the script, or you can generate a script automatically, and after that when you will create video, then aspect ratio should be, it shouldn't be 69. So the other ratio must be selected in order to create the YouTube short. So my video has created up till 51%, and it is generating the media, and within a minute my YouTube short will be ready. So here we go. Now you can see if you, I will move the cursor on the screen, that you can see that the aspect ratio and the output of the video has changed.
What if friction vanished?
Oh my god. So in this way you can create your YouTube shorts very easily. Stay tuned, take care, bye bye.